everyone, my name is Nayana. So welcome back to my channel. So in the last 2 weeks we have been having a video series that has been going on called as Cup the Flow, where I have tried to explain everything that you may need to know about the menstrual cup. I decided to make this video series because of a concern around the awareness of this product, and I was determined to at least bring some more awareness among at least a couple more women in this family or around me. And I have to say, I am so happy to see the very positive response that I have seen from the start of the series, with so many women messaging me to let me know how they have finally decided to make that switch, and they're looking forward to their next period cycle to actually start using the cup. It genuinely makes me so happy to see that progress and see people becoming more confident about using this cup in spite of a lot of fear surrounding this product. In this video, I'll be showing you a few testimonials from my friends who have been very kind enough to actually share their own personal experience using the cup. Most of them have been using it for a lot of months now or even years, and I'm hoping that their personal experience and their personal feedback would hopefully give you that extra push to make that switch. And please don't forget that we have a giveaway happening in this video series till tomorrow, which is 20th of March 2019, where I have collaborated with Booth to gift 3 of you women with a menstrual cup for yourself. So please make sure that you go down in the description box and check for all the rules for taking part in this giveaway. So here goes their personal feedbacks.
Hello ladies, so I am a cup user. I have been one for the last 7 to 8 months, and if I were to describe my experience in one word, that would be freedom. From the moment I started using cups, I got freedom from fear of overflows and staining. Seriously, no more staining and overflows. I got freedom from painful rashes and cuts in my inner thigh. The worst part is having to keep wearing that pad and walk around despite knowing the rashes are there and feeling the pain. Freedom from leaving blood behind in the loos. Oh, it's horrible, especially when you're using loos in the public toilets. Yeah, you know how horrible it is when you flush and you feel that stain still remain. Definitely freedom from spending money month after month on one product. Freedom from the tension regarding disposal. That was one big issue that every month I suffered. What do you do? How do you dispose it every month at home? Especially when you're in a hotel or in a restaurant, you have to change your pad if you're visiting a friend's house. We just wrap it up in a newspaper, throw it in a bin and try to forget, that weird feeling of how are they going to deal with it. The freedom from the guilt of knowing that this would again become another toxic landfill, plasticky, chemical-filled landfill in some place, burdening earth all over again, which is a never-ending cycle because of the millions of women. But the topmost is the freedom from just knowing that you're having your periods every moment for those 4 to 5 days. This is true liberation, because for me, since I have started using the cups, periods have become fill it and forget it. Put your cup and you forget it, at least for the next 7 to 8 hours when you have to, clean out your cup. Let me end this with a big gratitude to the amazing women on your life, including Nayana here, who talked about it, who were open about discussing about using the cup, who talked very encouragingly about how good it was for them and how wonderful an experience it has been for them, which made me convert in the first place. I'm hoping that this will drive more of you to at least give it a try. It's a one-time expense, just a one-time expense, and let me tell you, Mother Earth will thank all of us for ever and ever to just take that one-time expense, which will free us, which will free her.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya and I'm here to talk about menstrual cups. I started using menstrual cups for about 6 months. The shift from sanitary napkins to a menstrual cup has been one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life because of how convenient the product is. For one, there's no leakage at all. So there was this one point where I had to run a 5-kilometer run and my period started. So I was like, okay, I'll just use the menstrual cup and just, give it a try. I came back home, there was not a single drop of blood in my underwear. Okay, that's how effective the product is. It's so convenient. I can travel how much ever I want without worrying about leakage. I can sleep in any position that I want without worrying about leakage again. Whole idea about, oh, it's gonna leak, that's not there. Only what I feel women are scared about, around this product is it's that huge, right? People ask me, how does this huge thing fit in your vagina? I just want to say that your vagina can accommodate the menstrual cup because it has the ability to do so. Just there's a technique to put it. It's very easy before you use it, and you have to sterilize it at the end of your cycle. When you're done with it, you again have to sterilize it so that you ward off all germs. My experience with menstrual cup has been really great. I would recommend it to all women out there.
Hi friends, Shruti here, and I'm here to share my experience with menstrual cups. I've been using one since 2016 or so, and I'm quite happy that I switched to this product. The first time I heard about menstrual cups is from a TV show. Lady Doctor, she was talking about how these sanitary pads and tampons, they are bleached so that they look appealing. They're passed through several chemicals, and she was talking about how it causes infertility. And then she mentioned about menstrual cups, and I did quite an extensive research on this topic, and I decided to give it a try. I'm quite happy with how it works, how easy it is to use, how it saves me from the depressing sight of blood every time you go to the washroom. Doesn't need a disposal place also, so I have to sterilize it before and after the period, and you can store it easily. It's very small, very convenient to carry. I think you should definitely try it also.
Very good evening everyone. I'm really happy that Nayana is doing this video, and she has asked me to share my insight as a user. It happened a few months back and not even a year. I started seriously thinking about it after seeing a lot of other users being vocal about it and putting Insta stories, Twitter tweets. Once I've decided to make the switch, I went about and talked to a lot of health specialists, even doctors, including my parents, who has actually recommended. They said, you should go about and try it, and they even made me aware of the health hazards attached to other alternative methods that we have been using. So this is a completely safe product. It's safe not only for your own health, it's good for the environment, for the nature as well. Once you've decided, just go ahead, make the buy and wait for your next cycle. And if you have any inhibitions or questions regarding it, just talk to people who have been using it. They'll be more than happy to help you out.
So those were all the testimonials from a lot of people who have been using the menstrual cup for a while now. So I really hope that their feedback would genuinely give you that extra push or boost that you may have required to finally decide upon making the switch. If you're still uncomfortable about moving to a menstrual cup, but you still want to make a switch to something which is still sustainable, know that there is always the option of using a reusable cloth pad as well. You can definitely switch to that. That is a product that can be washed multiple times in use for years on end. And I would definitely put a link to a couple of those in the description box so that you can check them out, because it would definitely make a difference to you as well as to the environment. So please make sure that you at least choose either of these sustainable options for yourself. And if you still haven't checked out any of the videos in this series to learn more about the menstrual cup, make sure that you go check it out here, where I will leave the link for you to check out. So I'll see you again next time in the next video. So till then, bye bye.